Dang, I don't know what happened to my video. But yeah. I haven't walked in the snow like this to go to the store in maybe about 3 or 4 years. Have my handy dandy boots. Have an umbrella. One thing I could say, it seems like people listened. They said stay off the roads. I haven't encountered the car yet. And this is more of a main street. It's cleaner, easier to walk. Whew. So yeah, the plows have been down these streets. You can tell, definitely tell. Come get the side block. Oh, I was about to say, is the store closed? Oh no, it's open. Alhamdulillah. Okay guys, I'm getting off this phone. My hands are cold.